Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Tech Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a group chat on Snapchat. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapchat application and then log into your account if you haven't done so already, using your email address and your password. Now, after logging into your account, click on the Chats menu at the bottom section and you will be able to chat with various individuals. Now, from the chats page, if you wish to create a group, tap on the three dots at the top right corner and now you will find the new chat option. Go ahead and tap on it and you will find the new group option at the top section. Tap on new group and you will be able to add your group name. Go ahead and type in your group name and then choose the people that you want to add to your group. After selecting all of the individuals that you want to add, you can tap on the chat with group option and this will create your new group right away. And now you can start making group calls and group conversations within Snapchat. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create a new group on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.